Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. How long does a laundry room remodel take? Do you want to spruce up your laundry room but aren't sure how long it will take? A laundry room remodel can be a time-consuming project, and several considerations must be considered before you proceed. However, you can take several easy actions to ensure your laundry room remodels completed efficiently and on time. Whether you want a simple refresh or a complete remodel of your laundry room, knowing how long it will take can help you plan accordingly. Most laundry rooms that are standard-sized can be remodeled in 1 to 2 weeks with good planning and execution. However, depending on the project's scope, more sophisticated features or larger upgrades may take 3 to 5 weeks. This podcast will cover everything from budgeting concerns to strategies for expediting the process so you can start designing your dream laundry room immediately. How long does it take to renovate a laundry room? Laundry room remodels can be complicated, with many aspects to consider. It is vital to plan ahead and have realistic expectations about how long it will take. So, how long does a laundry room remodel take? The laundry area and the scope of the project determine the answer. If you only want to make visual modifications, such as painting or installing new fixtures, you may finish in as little as 1 weekend. Installing new cabinets and new appliances, or making major structural improvements, on the other hand, could take many weeks or even months. Hiring qualified professionals is the essential component in determining how long it takes. A reliable laundry room remodel service or designer can assist you in completing your laundry room project on time and correctly. They will also be able to offer you an accurate time frame, so you know precisely how long your laundry room will take. Using a design-build company and benefits for homeowners. Hiring a design company to assist with your laundry room makeover might be beneficial for a variety of reasons. For starters, it can significantly reduce the amount of time required to complete the task. A team of skilled specialists can work flawlessly to complete the project efficiently and swiftly. They also have resources that you do not, such as specialized materials and subcontractors that are specialists in their industries. Another benefit of hiring a design-build team is that they can offer expert advice on the best way to proceed with your laundry room project. They will be able to provide innovative ideas and insight into how different materials may affect the overall design and feel of your laundry room. This level of knowledge will help ensure that your laundry room makeover is exactly what you imagined. Finally, trusting all aspects of your laundry room project to an experienced team ensures that everything runs smoothly from start to finish. You can relax knowing that everything is taken care of to ensure excellent craftsmanship and project management throughout the entire process. With a design-build team on your side, you can relax knowing that your remodel is in good hands and will turn out just as you want. Space functionality. In addition to the speed and skill of a design-build team, consider the usefulness of your laundry space. Consider how you want to use the area when planning a remodel. Good remodeling companies should have a designer on staff to help with these decisions. Are you seeking storage solutions? Do you require a larger room to accommodate multiple machines? Or do you simply wish to make your environment more aesthetically pleasing? It will be easier to choose materials and design components once you have determined the purpose of the area. Installing open shelves or base cabinets, for example, is an obvious solution if you need more storage. But, if you want an updated design with modern amenities and appliances, it may be worth investing in custom cabinets that suit your exact specifications. Working with a design-build team can ensure that all of your goals are met within budget and on time. With their experience and resources, they can assist in bringing your ideas to life expediently, allowing you to enjoy your new laundry room sooner rather than later. Select your washer and dryer. After you've settled on the use and design of your laundry room, it's time to start thinking about appliances. This is a vital phase in any remodeling project since the washer and dryer may make a significant difference in your laundry routine's efficiency and enjoyment. Select machines that are dependable, energy efficient, and have the finest features for your needs. When purchasing, consider their size as well. Evaluate your available space and hunt for models that will fit comfortably. This is especially true if you work in a small place. Investing in stacked new washer-dryer sets or other space-saving solutions can be an excellent way to save space without losing aesthetics. Next, consider how easily accessible you want your appliances to be. If you prefer to have them easily accessible for loading and unloading, consider positioning them at a lower height level with counters above them to sort and fold clothes. If keeping things out of sight is more important, higher cabinets or drawers may be a better option. Choice of design. Now that you've selected the right laundry room appliances, it's time to evaluate the design. Your choice of design elements can significantly impact how functional and enjoyable your laundry space feels, so think about it carefully. Here are some ideas for getting the most out of your laundry room renovation. First, choose colors and materials that will enhance the space's ambience. To create a relaxing, spa-like atmosphere, use lighter colors and natural materials like wood or stone. If you want to add excitement to the space, bold colors and trendy tiles may be preferable options. Don't forget to think about both shape and function when it comes to storage solutions. Select items that will look fantastic while offering enough space for storing laundry supplies like detergents, fabric softeners, cleaning supplies, and other stuff you may need throughout your cleaning or laundry routine. When shopping for storage solutions, make sure they meet both your taste and your demands. This way, you'll create a room that looks beautiful and functions well. Factors that affect the timeline in remodeling your laundry rooms. Various things can alter the timing for remodeling a laundry room. Depending on your selections, a standard laundry room redesign can take 2 to 3 weeks. It may take even longer if you choose more complicated design features. It's important to remember that if you have a larger space and want to make significant renovations, it could take 3 to 5 weeks to construct your dream laundry room. When you begin any project, you should plan ahead of time and create reasonable expectations for how long it will take and even add a buffer to damper expectations. This way, you can ensure that your makeover is completed on schedule, obtaining the desired results and reducing any potential frustrations. Size and complexity of the project. When it comes to the size and complexity of a laundry room remodel, these factors can considerably impact the timeline. The duration of a project increases with its complexity and scope. Hiring professionals to do some or all of the work can help reduce the amount of time dramatically if you choose the right contractors. Unforeseen delays or additional adjustments that must be made along the process can cause a delay in completion. It is essential to plan for potential issues, so you are not annoyed by unexpected delays. It's also worth mentioning that strategies like buying materials ahead of time, having a plan before starting work, and making sure your contractor is aware of any time limits can help keep your project on schedule. By planning ahead of time and creating realistic expectations about how long it will take to accomplish your dream laundry room renovation, you can guarantee that everything goes smoothly from start to finish. Laundry room renovation budget. Given the factors that can affect the timing of a laundry room redesign, budget is an important consideration to take into account. Depending on your project, you may need to account for expenses such as supplies, labor, and other relevant fees. Having an exact estimate of all remodel costs is vital so you can plan accordingly and stay within your budget. You should also account for any potential hidden charges that may develop during the procedure. As said before, unanticipated delays or adjustments can result in additional costs. Planning and conducting research can go a long way toward keeping your budget under control when it comes to redesigning a laundry room. Availability of materials and labor. Another aspect that might significantly impact the timeline of your laundry room makeover is the availability of materials and labor. Depending on the complexity of your project, you may need to acquire various materials and hire workers with distinct skill sets. This can prolong the process as you conduct research and shop for the materials needed. Ensure that all the required materials and labor are readily accessible if you're in a hurry. To reduce lead times, try combining existing materials with new acquisitions. Look into potential off-peak discounts or other incentives from suppliers or contractors in your area. While it may be tempting to rush through a project, investing the extra time to ensure excellent materials and workmanship is always worthwhile. Shortcuts can often result in costly repairs and delays that could have been avoided with good preparation. Unforeseen issues and delays. No matter how precisely you plan your laundry room remodel, there is always the risk of unforeseen issues and delays. These can range from discovering outdated plumbing or wiring that needs to be updated to dealing with backordered items. In terms of your renovation project's timeframe, it is important to be flexible so that you may make adjustments as necessary. It is also vital to account for any potential disruptions caused by weather or other external factors. If you reside in a location where snow and ice are common at particular times of the year, for example, you should plan on a lengthier building period because these conditions can cause delays. It's impossible to anticipate how long a laundry room redesign will take, but realistic expectations will help you plan accordingly and prepare for any unexpected obstacles. Your project should go pretty smoothly and be completed within an acceptable time limit if proper research and preparation are done. Tips for speeding up laundry room remodeling timeline. Remodeling your laundry room can be an exciting project that transforms a mundane space into a more functional and aesthetically pleasing laundry room. However, it can also be time-consuming and overwhelming if not planned correctly. This section will share some helpful tips and tricks to speed up your laundry room remodeling timeline and ensure a successful renovation project that meets your needs and budget. Choose a reliable and experienced contractor. Choosing the right contractor for your laundry room remodeling project is critical to completing it on time. To begin, search for someone who has extensive experience with similar tasks and can demonstrate past success. Get referrals from family members and friends, or read internet reviews to see their reputation. It's also essential to ensure the contractor is licensed and insured to cover any damages or accidents appropriately. Once you've cut down your choices, call each contractor to discuss your precise demands and timeframe. This will offer you a better insight into how they intend to complete your project and make it easier to evaluate which one is best suited for the job. Finally, before signing anything, carefully read the contract. This will help ensure that all parties understand the scope of work, cost estimates, payment timeline, and other project information. It is also beneficial to set clear communication protocols between yourself and the contractor so that everyone involved is kept up to date at all stages of construction. Avoid making changes mid-project. Once you've hired a trustworthy, experienced contractor and the project has started, you should avoid making changes in the middle of the work. This can not only cause the remodel to be completed much later, but it can also result in increased expenditures and issues. Any changes you make should be discussed with the contractor up front so that they can appropriately alter the timetable and budget for your laundry room renovation. It's also vital to remember that all parties must approve any delays caused by mid-project changes before proceeding. It is vital to interact with your contractor on a regular basis throughout the process so that everyone is on the same page when it comes time to make decisions. This will help to ensure that no unexpected changes occur and that there are no major obstacles or delays in completing your laundry room renovation. A laundry room remodeling job doesn't have to take long if done correctly. With a competent contractor and clear communication between all parties involved, you should be able to complete the task efficiently without losing quality or going over budget. Keep communication open with the contractor. Maintaining open communication with your contractor is essential for a successful laundry room remodeling project. From start to completion, it's vital to keep regular contact with them and be accessible for guidance as needed. This way, you may provide comments and ensure that your vision is carried out accurately. Being active in the process will also help avoid mid-project adjustments that could cause delays and add costs. Set up regular check-ins throughout the project to keep communication open. During these sessions, review progress and ensure everything proceeds as planned. Ask inquiries whenever something seems wrong, and feel free to share feedback on any changes you want. If any issues develop, promptly discussing them with your contractor can help fix them quickly so the restoration may continue on schedule. You can ensure a smooth redesign with few delays and unforeseen surprises by being involved in the process from start to finish. Maintaining open lines of communication with your contractor is critical to ensuring a successful laundry room remodel that fulfills your objectives within budget and on time. Conclusion: renovating a laundry room can be both exciting and overwhelming. It's essential to choose a design-build company with experience in remodeling laundry rooms that will help with the design and functionality aspects. Additionally, keeping connected with the contractor is an important step that some companies don't do well. Combined with all these components, you can ensure you will run smoothly and efficiently. With years of experience in the industry, we have the expertise and resources needed to complete your project efficiently and effectively. We offer a wide range of services, including design consultation, material selection, and construction, all while keeping your budget and timeline in mind. You can expect high professionalism and attention to detail throughout the process by choosing Phoenix Home Remodeling. We work closely with you to ensure that your vision for your laundry room is brought to life and that the final result meets or exceeds your expectations. Overall, if you are looking for a reliable and experienced remodeling company to help you with your laundry room remodel, Phoenix Home Remodeling is an excellent choice. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.